conflict and the complexities of relationships. Let's welcome the cast members, Khalil Ramos, John Estrada, Barbie Forteza, and Miss Sharon Gulera. Let's have some fun opportunities, shall we? Let's smile for some photo opportunities first. The cast of Honor Thy Mother. One of the originals. Going or coming to Prime Video very, very soon. Alright, let's have a quick chat. Congratulations, Honor Thy Mother. Alright, ano ang pinaka-aabangan? What are you so excited about this particular project? Ladies last. It's always nice about ladies last. So, kayo muna. Sige, Gail.
Oh, I'm very much excited. Personally, this is my second project with Pride. And yes, first of all, simula sa gitna. And they've always championed the Filipino stories. I'm very much excited to be part of Honor Thy Mother. And also, it is a collaboration between three industry giants, Prime, ABS-CBN, and GMA.
Exactly.
Super excited.
That was brought up during the panel discussion. Thank you for bringing that up. John!
Yeah, hi, good afternoon to everyone. I'm excited because Honor Thy Mother will revolve around mother-daughter relationship, family, and sacrifice, of course.
Thank you. And Barbie, Sharon, wow, here we go. Are you excited to work with each other as well?
Yes! Nanginginig ako. You know, last time actually, ang daming young artists ng GMA7. Ang lagi kong nakikita, for some reason, sa social gathering, si Barbie. Tapos we would end up talking to each other. We really enjoyed each other's company every time. Kaya nung nalaman ko siya,
And this happened.
yes, and of course, it's my, do I go ahead and do I continue? It's my second project with Prime, so I'm very happy. I was with Saving Grace, Dream Save, and ABS-CBN Saving Grace, and now I'm very pleased because I think it's the first collaboration between our mother studios, ABS-CBN, and of course GMA7. So it's like two families coming together, and brought under one roof by Prime. So we're very proud, very honored.
Of course, what an opportunity.
I'm very honored, and I'm honored is to honor Thy Mother.
Happy honor na.
Na-connect ko ba na?
Honor na honor ko. Barbie.
Ayan, ako po, what excites me about this is, grabe, big companies coming together for this massive, or some might call it mega project. Hindi ba? It's a mega family drama, and this is my first time working with Dreamscape. Oh my gosh.
You're the best.
Yeah, oh my gosh. An ABS-CBN TV production in collaboration with my home network, GMA, in partnership with Prime Video. So grabe, lalaking kumpanya nagsama-sama para sa proyektong ito to give you this very great project. And gusto ko rin po magpasalamat dahil my film P77 was able to reach a much wider audience. Yes, Miss Nessa! Jeremy Pictures! Thank you po. I was able to reach a wider reach of audience dahil sa Prime Video. So maraming salamat po. I'm really excited.
And we can see the excitement radiating off all of you. So we wish you the best. We look forward to what is to come. What collaboration, of course, the magic of collaboration can bring. Cheers to Team Honor.